Menteri ketenat ki kam an ke Khuborjylla ba la kemen rumbui ulaong. Ka Meghalaya kelongkum ke paradai seki briu kam tam miki Mynder bat dai nak kata kadau don kam miki nong shong ban long Kiba husiar bat Peitngor. Shu uni menteri ula kenturu iki pat ba bade ban long Kiba husiar bat ulaong ru nakaliang ke sorkar bat Khubor pahara bakin shim khia nak benta ke Jingrung suk shong shngan juki pat nong shong.
The Meghalaya is a paradise where everybody want to come and settle and do trade and do the different activities here in Meghalaya. So it is our duty as the state, our duty as a citizen, our duty as a local darbar to see that if any suspicious or illegal immigrant, we should report to the authority. So the way they have conducted the search, it is not. I have seen in the report, in newspaper report. I cannot confirm it. There is a reverse migration. How far is that? It is a newspaper report. I cannot confirm that. But sir is one of the thing which we need to see, that the illegal migrant or the people from outside the state, they should not take refuge in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, it is not very easy to deal. We have a 442 kilometer border with Bangladesh, and many of the part is porous, and we have also more than 800 kilometers from the interstate border with Assam. So the people from outside will try to come to our state, but that's why the constant vigilance from the government, when I said government, that means all the law enforcing agency of the state, and then the village darbar and the local authority, they should be very vigilant, because what you tell that it is really a thing which we need to take care.